Don't go. I don't know where you come from, yeah, but you're everywhere I go. Oh yeah. I don't know why you chose me. Why me? But as long as you're here, yeah, I don't need to know. So don't go.
Yeah, when I got introduced to ya, I knew I'd be true to ya. Everyone wanted a piece. You whispered to me that it's sweet, cause it's me you love, yeah, and I feel it in my soul. It's like you're always with me on the road, phone in my hand while I listen to you moan, and everybody in the car wants to try and get involved. Yeah, and then you make us set a tone. Puppy love, now I'm like, give a dog a bone. Shut me up, how? I could breathe and have a flow. Our love's concrete, we should leave it set in stone. Yeah, and whenever I'm in doubt, yeah, you forever calm me down. Yeah, and sometimes I'm a dummy, and I know I would've crashed if you never was around.
Don't go, don't leave, please stay with me. You are the only thing I need to get by, to get by.
Yeah, I spend a little change on you, but you always give it back. So I know you ain't here for the money. You just wanna see me be the man, so I earned my respect like a true gentleman. All rumors were capital irrelevant, and we should get free 2 emblems, and I'll give my life to you, that's a street settlement. Yeah, I'm feeling ever so emotional, cause I never had nothing when approaching you. Sitting with a straight face on a poker move. That's why a song like this has been overdue. Due over time, time over. Love drunk, you and I would die sober. I'm in this for forever and a day. That's why anywhere I go, they gotta put you on the plane.
Don't go.